You made it down. How'd you do it?
Well, it was level over there,
Oh, okay.
and it wasn't all that green stuff. It was dry. There was a longer stick over there, part way down too.
That probably helped.
Oh, there's a cigarette. Is that a cigarette butt?
Yeah. That might just be a rock.
One of the things I got here is a rock too, so I don't know. Just throw that back.
Yeah, I think the rock can stay. That's also a rock.
Piece of wood.
No, it's a rock. Like a piece of cement or something.
Is that a piece of cardboard or a piece of
Metal or rock.
another rock?
Yeah, another brick or something.
Straps are coming down.
Mm.
What does that look like?
I like a wrapper.
It looks like that's a piece of
Yeah, we can take that.
Yeah, you guys, thank you. So I can give you this or take it up to the car, or you could put it on my car if you want. If you want, we can just take the garbage bags and put them in the basket. I can walk with you.
what's this?
That's another cigarette butt.
Yeah, I saw it. I'll put mine over there.
And then here,
Nice meeting you guys. Yeah, nice meeting you too.
Yeah, that looks like another one too.
Yeah. I'm very, very happy for you, dude. I'm on top of your stuff, man.
this.
Yeah, that's another one as well.
If it was that easy, like, there's a bunch of kids out here getting credits and, like, you out here doing this, like, it goes a long way, because not many kids do, you know what I mean?
Yeah, not many kids on a Saturday are coming to clean up the river, so good on you, man.
Oh, here.
Some of them are just leaves, I think.
Hey, Nick. Hey, Nick. Do you want me to bring some of this stuff with me?
Yeah, sure. You can bring the waiter if you want some.
Like this.
That's another one, yeah.
You guys came last second, so you didn't have to do anything. No.
More rocks.
So how far up did they go?
They went back and forth.
Oh, they went back and forth.
Yeah.
They go over here.
They didn't really travel that way. I guess the water gets a little deeper and it gets darker.
So I'm good to about here. About
Okay.
to here. We got a little ways to go. What is that?
That's styrofoam. That white stuff?
Yeah, we should have just came right here, maybe, from where we parked. It's right over there, right?
It's that way.
Oh, I see. Okay, maybe not then. So, let's see how close I'm getting. And still, we're up to about here. Still got a ways to go. I could walk on the edges maybe and come up a little ways. I'll go till I start overflowing.
Okay. Well, you don't have to
I
overflow.
got
I
the
don't
feeling
think.
it's gonna get shallower there maybe.
It looks like they picked out like a fan, a broken scooter, and something else. Don't really know.
It's like it's turquoise color.
I guess you gotta watch out for leeches here. I think you're pretty much covered, but
Yeah, I think so too. Out on Pewaukee, I used to use them for bait. Everybody was afraid of them. Let's see how close I'm getting. I'm getting closer. But maybe go like this. Oh, Nick's coming back.
yeah, he's coming back. He's got stuff here.
So let's see if I'm getting shallower here. Not about the same. And I'm not in the middle either. I'm kind of walking wide. Looks pretty clean though.
Yeah, I think they did a good job. First couple pass-throughs.
So they went back and forth, so they did a pretty good job. Missed a couple of cigarette butts.
Yeah, you're picking up the fine tuning stuff.
So let's see how close I'm getting. About the same. About the same dive, you know, maybe three inches or so. I can make it in here. I can, what is this? Is this another cigarette butt? Are these guys smoking while they're cleaning the river or something?
No, they weren't smoking.
I'm just kidding. Looks like a filter.
Here, you could throw that stuff off to the side there on that land, so you don't have to hold on to it.
Like that?
Yeah, then we'll pick it up afterwards. That seems to be the pile right
If I'd
now.
known that, I would have made a nicer pile. But you said throw it. Throw it, I did. Oh, getting about the same. So it looks like up there where you're at that it gets shallower.
Yeah, it
But
gets a
in
little.
here,
Yeah.
I'm not looking at any. It stays the same. That's one thing, but
Yeah, it seems like it stays the same and then gets shallow.
let's see. Are those next boots there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks, this feels shallower right now. Oh.
What was that, a leech?
No, I just felt that it was, usually these sides are a little bit higher up, and then this one seems like it's getting pretty close here, I think. Yeah. So I'm not gonna keep up after this because it doesn't look like it's in need of anything.
Okay.
But it does look a lot shallower over there.